Okay, what is going on? Why is skincare brand throwing a rave party?
Leveled up, you looking for love and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can have
Why is Dhaba menu testing eyesight?
EMK
हाँ, इसके बाद से नीचे नहीं दिखता है सर, छोटा अक्षर नहीं दिखता है।
नहीं दिख रहा, नहीं दिख रहा, पढ़ाएगा ये नहीं, वो तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं, वो तो ऐसे जीरो लगता है।
Did marketing go completely unhinged or is there a method to this madness? आजकल के डिजिटल जंगल में जहाँ हर सेकेंड एक नई एड फ्लैश होती है, ब्रांड्स के लिए अटेंशन ग्रैब करना एक नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल टास्क बन गया है। बोल्ड फॉन्ट हो या कैची टैगलाइन, थोड़ी देर के लिए काम करना, बट आपको अगर ऑडियंस के दिमाग में एक रियल इम्पैक्ट बनाना हो, then bro, you need a more than poster. You need an experience. Attention spans are going to low-key extent, and today consumer wants connection and not just communication. That's where experiential marketing comes into the picture. एक ऐसा जोन है जहाँ पे ब्रांड सिर्फ बोलते नहीं, इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। रियल लाइफ इवेंट हो या डिजिटल इंटरेक्शन, जब कंज्यूमर खुद ब्रांड का इमोशन फील करता है, तब होती है रियल बॉन्डिंग। ये है आज का नया लेवल ऑफ मार्केटिंग। No banners, no jingles. And in this video, I will break down why experiential marketing is super important and how it is helping brands. Hello. Welcome to Adopian. This is Vineet Wala. Here we decode marketing stories, trends and branding, adding value to your life. अब आप भी वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकते हो सब्सक्राइब करके। जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लो। Think about a time you really remembered a night.
नहीं याद है ना, बदाम खाओ थोड़ा।
Okay, but now think about a time you went to an event and posted about it, or that one brand activation that made you go, bro, I wish I was there. ये है experience marketing, and it's doing its job beautifully. People will forget about products, but people will never forget how brand made them feel. ये marketing नहीं, ये memory making है। जैसे जैसे experiential marketing का क्रेज बढ़ रहा है, ब्रांड अपनी क्रिएटिविटी फुल पावर में लेके आ रहे हैं। Let's take an example of Coca-Cola's Open Happiness campaign. Through augmented reality vending machine, the beverage company created an interactive experience that drove a massive 12% increase in engagement and 8% increase in sales. पॉइंट सिंपल है, जब आप डिजिटल पर्सनलाइजेशन को एक रियल वर्ल्ड इमोशन के साथ ब्लेंड करते हो, तो आप प्रोडक्ट नहीं, एक रियल इम्पैक्ट बेचते हो। Let's talk about IndieWild, एक super DC aesthetic skincare brand. They were launching the new range of product Masala Chai Collection Skincare, inspired by warm, spicy and nostalgic energy of chai. But instead of a regular ad campaign, they hosted a chai rave. Like literally, DJs, DC cocktail, chai scented corners, influencer dancing and vibing, whole lot of a vibe. You know the interesting part? Brand was not launching a product, वो एक feeling build कर रहे थे, and that feeling got posted, shared and talked about much more than a plain product post ever could. Because you can copy pricing, you can copy packaging, but you can never copy vibes. अब थोड़ा सेटअप चेंज करते हैं, पार्टी से सीधा हाईवे धाबास पे आते हैं। So Titan I Plus and Ogilvy did this super clever thing for truck drivers.
1 in 3 truck drivers in India have compromised vision. Trucks and lorries were involved in over 25,000 crashes and over 10,000 deaths.
सतवन जी, आपने कभी आंखें टेस्ट कराई हैं?
आंखें तो अपने एडजस्ट कर लेती हैं।
आंखें किनकी बनती है ना, जो आपकी उम्र के।
हाँ,
हम लोग पुराने, हम लोग की आंखें शरीर कुछ नहीं, अभी तक पूरा रीजन है।
सिंखनकाई 18,000 20 में बैठे, वो कैसे कवर करे यार?
They turn all the dhaba menus into eye test. Yeah, I'm serious. मेन्यू के fonts धीरे-धीरे छोटे होते गए, and if you can't read it, boom, that's the time for your eye checkup. ये सारे धाबास में एक छोटा सा सेटअप कर दिया था, जहाँ पे आई स्पेशलिस्ट आके आपके आई को चेक करेंगे। यूनिक पार्ट अबाउट दिस कैंपेन इज इनसाइड। ट्रक ड्राइवर्स रोज ना लॉन्ग जर्नीज करते हैं, डे एंड नाइट, तो उसके कारण उनकी आंखें कमजोर हो जाती है, and that's where this campaign arise. Now you would be saying कि तो normal CSR activity है। No, this wasn't just a CSR ad. It was an on-ground experience that blended purpose with participation. अब चलते थोड़ा global level पे for a moment. How global brands are using experiential marketing to promote their brand and building that feeling amongst the audience. First is Coca-Cola का ear vending machine. Second, Netflix executed Squid Game pop-ups where people could actually play red light, green light in real life.
And my heart was pounding out of my chest.
Third, IKEA literally hosted sleepovers in their stores. Fourth, Glossier created this aesthetic as well pop-up rooms that turned every customer into a content creator.
About an hour, and then we got to shop the truck and spin the wheel, and we both won. I won a water bottle, and Miranda got a free mascara, and then we got some free ice cream and an additional little goodie bag.
All of this worked because people don't talk or don't remember about billboards. They only talk about how brand made them. आप पूछोगे ये work क्यों करता है? Okay, let's bring in some psychology, but chill, no TED talk. We are wired to remember emotion over information or facts. Secondly, UGC is always preferred over paid media because it feels more real. Thirdly, what is social currency? Maybe sharing or posting a cool experience on social media that makes you cool. Let me know in the comments. And lastly, brand that create interactive moments build deeper connection. ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग मैट्रिक्स जैसे रीच या इंप्रेशन एक्सपीरियंशियल मार्केटिंग के केस में फेल हो जाते हैं या तो यूज ही नहीं होते बिकॉज यहाँ पे फोकस होता है एंगेजमेंट पर ना कि विजिबिलिटी पर. इन एक्सपीरियंशियल मार्केटिंग वेयर ROI कैन बी डिफिकल्ट टू मेजर, we rely on range of metrics like engagement, social sentiment and customer feedback. According to Eventbrite, 89% of brand uses multi-dimensional ROI, जैसे कि social sentiment, brand advocacy score, etc. As Deloitte reports, brand utilizing real-time data sees a 41% lift in engagement. अब आप पूछोगे मतलब? देखो, ऑडियंस का मूड चेंज होते रहता है, तो आपको अपना मैसेज ट्वीक करना पड़ता है, ऑडियंस का इंटरेक्शन ट्वीक करना पड़ता है. अगर जरूरत पड़े तो कैंपेन का डायरेक्शन बीच में ही पिवट करना पड़ता है. यू नो व्हाट? टुडे मार्केटिंग इज नॉट अबाउट प्लानिंग, इट इज अबाउट अडैप्टिंग टू द फ्लाई. You might be thinking, bro, I don't have a budget to host parties and pop-ups. Don't worry, you don't need crores or lakhs to host parties and pop-ups. There are multiple ways you can make audience feel about your brand or experience about your brand. Say for example, if you are a beverage company, you can host a mini tasting session at your store. It could be chai, it could be any coffee or something like that. Do a gamified version of discount on Insta Live. If you are into clothing brand or maybe apparel brand, then you can create a small touch and feel zone at flea market or exhibition where people can come and experience the material or the quality of your product. Even DMing your 50 top customer and surprising them with a personalized moment, that is also an experience. छोटा सा moment भी share किया ना with the customer, they will feel privileged, they will feel special. You have any more ideas? Please drop in the comments. It might help other people or other brand guests. If you see a brand throwing a party or instantly cool experience, तो समझ जाओ ये सिर्फ हाइप नहीं बना रहे, ये एक मेमोरी बनाने का बिजनेस है. Because brand that feel better sell better. If you loved this breakdown, like करो, share it with your marketing gang, and हाँ, subscribe करना मत भूलना. Because we don't chase trends, we decode the stories behind them. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.